Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on this look right here. So I've done a goldy, pinky, champagne, smoky eye, and I've given you glowy skin with a peachy nude lip. So I want to let you guys know that you guys could always skip this eye look and just conceal the eyelids like in the beginning and set the eyes and give yourself a bold red lip, and you get a totally different look with this foundation routine using the same products as I used on my skin. So if you guys like what you see and you'd like to recreate this look, stay tuned and the tutorial is about to follow. So I've already done my usual, the brows, the corrector and the primer. So Benefit Professional MAC Peach Luster Prep and Prime Highlighter and Dip Brow Anastasia in Ash Brown. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C9, and I'm going to do my eyes with that. I'm going to take the Morphe E21. I'm going with Makeup Geek Vanilla Bean and set my brow bone to crease and the outer V. This is just gonna set the concealer and ensure that the eyeshadows blend smoothly. So I'm now taking Creme Brulee and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. This fluffy brush by Jessup is called Tappet Blending. Taking a Jessup blending brush and Cocoa Bear be my second transition shade. And you just need a really light amount just to give you a bit of a wash of color. I'm gonna run it through my outer V a little bit as well in circular motions, and then I'm gonna take it along my crease. I'm taking in circular motions and blowing that out, picking up more color each time. I'm going to take Bitten, take it on the MAC 217, and I'm going to run that along the outer V and the crease. So you want to place most of the colour on the outer V and then you blend it into the crease. And then brush whatever's left onto the middle of the lid, so it gives you a bit of a gradient. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend out the transition and the crease together so there's no harsh patches. The Zoeva Luxe Pencil Brush 230 Americano. So I'm going to put it right here, just a touch, just to deepen up the area a little bit, and I'm just going to blend it in with the other colours. Bitten a little bit more on the 217. I'm going to blend the Americano out and make it a bit more subtle. So now that's done, I'm gonna go in with the clean blending brush and blend out all the edges. Now I'm gonna take Cosmopolitan, and that's what's gonna go in to the lid. I'm gonna take it with my finger. .17 brush and blend that together. So I haven't picked up any other colour on this one. Do the rest of my face, achieve a radiant glowy skin. So I'm going to go in with Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade Y365, and I'm going to mix it in with the NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Groenland. Conceal and brighten my under eyes, and I'm taking the same concealer I used before, the Makeup Revolution C9. My under eyes, but I'm just gonna set just the crease part here so it doesn't crease, because we're going for a dewy look, well, a glowy radiant look. We want to set as little as we can. So I'm gonna take the Morphe E23 brush for this, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder, and I'm just gonna pick up a really light amount, and I'm just gonna take it just over here before I highlight. I'm now gonna apply some liner on, just sitting on the lashes, because I want to put on some false lashes. I'm gonna apply some mascara, and I'm gonna apply some false lashes, and I will be back with you guys. I haven't done the bottom mascara yet because I'm gonna do the rest of my face, make it a bit more glowy. So yeah, I've applied Queen Bee lashes and lined my didn't do a wing line, I just lined my lids a little bit so it hides the lash band. So I'm now gonna go in with Iconic London Illuminator, and this is in the shade Original. Be fast with these drops because they dry up so fast. Now I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finishing Powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my makeup. So I'm going to take it just where I'm more likely to crease. And this will make your makeup last a very long time. Real Techniques powder brush. Take MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and Give Me Sun. And I'm just gonna bronze up the rest of my face. Highlight with Anastasia Peach Nectar. Sleek Rose Gold Blush. I love this blush, it's so glowy. So now I'm going to set the rest of my face before I go in on my under eye and my lips. And for setting, I'm using MAC Fix Plus. Now that I've set my face, I'm going to go in with my under eyes now. I'm going to take the Luxe Petite Crease Brush by Zoeva. I'm going to take Creme Brulee. Get the 217 and pick up some Cherry Cola. Luxe pencil brush, and I'm gonna get Americano and run that along. For mascara, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. Mikasa E310 brush. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter and put that into my inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit more on this brush and put that on my nose. And my Cupid's bow. For lips, I'm gonna take Addiction Lip Liner by Rimmel. And I'm gonna take Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Clay Crush. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did. And if you guys recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. And yeah, make sure to share with your friends as well. Bye for now.